Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.9. Here we discuss about the linear graph. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.9. Here we discuss about the linear graph. When all the points plotted lie on a line, we say a linear pattern exists. Such an equation is called a linear equation, and the line graph for linear equation is called linear graph. Listen, in the graph, like that, this is x axis and y axis, here x dash and here y dash. Points plot on a line like this. It is linear pattern. Such an equation is called linear equation. This equation is called linear equation, and the line graph for linear equation is called linear graph. Dependent and independent variables. The longer the distance we travel by a taxi, the more we have to pay. The distance traveled is an example of an independent variable. Being the dependent of the distance, the taxi fare is called the dependent variable. So, now let me see the exercise sums. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, y equal to px, where p belongs to z, always pass through the dash. Listen, when we put x value is 0 means we get the result solution as 0, 0. So, it pass through the origin. So, always pass through the origin. That is the answer. Next one, the intersecting point of the line x equal to 4, y equal to minus 4. Listen, in this graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. First one, x equal to plus 4. So, that equation is y dash x dash, that is important. X equal to 4 means 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, like that. So, 4 comma 1 here, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4. And then y equal to minus 4 means 1 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4, etc. like that. So, 1 comma minus 4 here, 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 4, like that. So, both the line, the intersecting point of the line, they ask. Which line? So, this equation parallel to y axis, y equal to minus equation, that is parallel to x axis. So, we can satisfy both the equation means we get the point 4 comma 4 minus 4. That is the answer. 4 comma minus 4. Next one, scale for the given graph. They given the graph x axis 1 centimeter equal to how many units, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to how many units. Listen, this is x axis 3, 6, 9. So 1 centimeter equal to how many units? 3 units. 3, 6, 9, 12, next 15, like that. Next, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 25 units. 25, 50, 75, 100, like that. So that is the answer. Next one, say true or false. First one, the points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 lies on a same straight line. Listen. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So, it lies on a same straight line. Yes, true. Next one, y equal to minus 9x, not pass through the origin. Listen, y equal to px, we already seen that y equal to px, where p always pass through the origin. Here y equal to minus 9x. We put a substitute x equal to 0 means, what's the result? Y equal to also 0, x is also 0. So 0, 0, that is pass through the origin, but they given not pass through the origin. So that is false statement. That is the answer. Third sum, will a line pass through 2, 2 if it intersects the axis at 2, 0 and 0, 2. Listen, first given, what they given? Line intersect the axis 2, 0 and 0, 2. A line intersect the axis 2, 0 and 0, 2. Let the line intercept. Let the line can be expressed as ax plus by equal to 1. The straight line equation means they intercept 2, 0 and 0, 2. So a equal to 2 and b also 2. It implies 2x plus 2y equal to 1. When the point 2, 2 is substituted means, substitute in this equation 2, 2, that is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, it is equal to 1. So 2 2s are 4 and here 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4, that is not equal to 1. So it does not satisfy. Therefore, it does not satisfy the equation. Therefore, the line does not pass through 2, 2. Listen in the graphical method. 2, 0 first. 2, 0. Y-axis 0 means x-axis. So that is 2, 0. Next 0, 2. X-axis 0 means y-axis. So that is 0, 2. So now 2, 2 point, where is that? 2, 2 here. 2, 2. Now the point is here. So the straight line is like that only. It is not passed through the point 2, 2. So that is the answer. Fourth sum, a line passing through 4 comma minus 2 and intersect the y-axis at 0 comma 2. Find a point on the line in the second quadrant. Listen, a line passing through 4 comma minus 2 here and it intersects the y-axis at 0 comma 2 means what is the point, next point at the second quadrant? That is the question. Listen, line passes through 4 comma minus 2 and intersect the y-axis at 0 comma 2. Using the formula, listen, to find out the point that pass through the line, that is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here y1 and y2 is here, this is x1 and y1 and x2 y2. Listen, y minus, substitute this values, y minus y1 is 2 divided by x minus x1 is 0 equal to y2, that is minus 2 minus y1 2. Now x2 4 minus x1 0. Y minus 2 divided by x minus 0 x equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 0 4. Now listen, cross multiplication. Here minus 4 divided by, listen, y minus 2 by x equal to minus divided by plus minus 4 divided by 4 1. Now y minus 2 equal to x into minus 1 minus x. Now take the value in second quadrant, any value. Take any value in second quadrant for x, that is negative. Right, in second quadrant x value is negative. So I take value of x is 2. If x equal to minus 2 means what is the value of y? Y minus 2 equal to minus 2. So y equal to, here minus 2, listen, already minus x, so minus into minus plus 2. So here minus 2 it becomes plus 2 this side, so y equal to 4. So the point in second quadrant is minus 2 comma 4. Listen, in this graph 0 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. So this line extend means in second quadrant we take the value of 2, x value 2. So this is 4. 2 minus 2 comma 4. We get the answer here. That is the answer. Fifth sum, if the points P 5 comma 3 and Q minus 3 comma 3 or minus 3 comma minus 4 and S form a rectangle. If the points P, Q or S form a rectangle means find out the coordinates of S. We have to find out the point of S. Listen, first one P 5 comma 3. Both are in positive, that is in first quadrant. 5 comma x axis 5 and y axis 3. This point 5 comma 3, that is P. Next Q minus 3 comma plus 3. Minus 3 comma plus 3. X axis minus means it is in second quadrant. So minus 3 comma plus 3, that is Q. Minus 3 comma plus 3. Minus 3 comma minus 4. Both are in negative sign. So that is in third quadrant. Minus 3. X axis minus 3. Y axis minus 4. Now listen, QR and PQ now we want to find out S. So that is P and Q are joined in this line point, that is 5 comma minus 4. Join now. That is yes. So S coordinate is 5 comma minus 4. Therefore we get the solution. Listen, PQ is parallel to x axis. PQ and QR is parallel to y axis. So now PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. Therefore, we get S coordinates 5 comma minus 4. That is the answer. Sixth sum, a line passed through 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 6 and another line passed through minus 3 comma 0, 0 comma minus 3. What are the points to be joined to get a trapezium? Listen, first plot this point on the graph. like the sums, no need to draw the graph, just that means no need to use the graph sheet, just draw the graph on your plain sheets. Listen, first 6 comma 0, 0 that is y axis, 0 that means x axis. So where is that? 6 comma 0. Next 0 comma 6. So x axis 0 means that is in y axis. 0 comma 6. Now next 2 points, minus 3 comma 0, that is in minus 3 comma 0, 0 comma minus 3, here it is 0 comma minus 3. Join means you get a trapezium. Yes, we get a trapezium. Now listen, in a trapezium two opposite sides are parallel and two opposite sides are not parallel. Another two opposite sides are not parallel. So now we said that in a trapezium there are two opposite sides are parallel. And then other opposite sides are non-parallel. So forming a trapezium should join the points. That is the answer. Seventh sum, find the point of intersection of the line joining points minus 3 comma 7, 2 comma minus 4 and 4 comma 6 minus 5 comma minus 7. Also find the point of intersection of these lines and also their intersections with the axis. So first we have to find out the joining points and the point of intersection. Listen, line 1. Minus 3 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 4. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Using this formula, we have to find out the line. Listen, here x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now y minus y1, that is 7, divided by x minus x1, minus, here also minus, minus into minus plus 3 equal to y2, that is minus 4 minus 7, y1 is 7 and x2 is minus 2 x1 plus 3 minus, here also minus, minus into minus plus 3. Now y minus 7 divided by x plus 3 equal to minus 11 divided by 5. Cross multiplication, 5 into y minus 7 equal to minus 11 into x plus 3. Now 5y minus 35 equal to minus 11x minus 33. Minus into plus minus, 11 3s are 33. It implies 11x plus 5y equal to 2. That is line 1. Next, second line. What is the point? Four comma 6 and minus 5 comma minus 7. Here x1 y1 and x2 y2, same formula we have to apply. So y minus y1 is 6 divided by x minus x1, that is 4, equal to minus 7 y2 minus y1 minus 6, x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 4. Now y minus 6 divided by x minus 4 equal to minus 13 divided by minus 9. Minus minus get cancelled. So from this we get the equation 9y minus 13x equal to 2. That is line 2. Now solve this 2 equation. First equation into 13, 5 into y. Here 5 is y is the first term, y term. So take first term as y. So 5 into 13, 65y plus 11 into 13, 143x equal to 2 13s are 26. And second equation, line 2 into line 2 into 11. 9 11s are 99y minus 13 11s are 143x equal to 2 11s are 22. Now add this means we get 143x plus minus 143x cancelled. So we get 65 plus 99, that is 164y equal to 48. So y equal to 48 by 164, cancel means we get 12 by 41. Fourth table, 12 fours are here 41. Now substituting this value in 11x plus y. Substitute y equal to 12 by 41 in line 1, first equation. So 11x plus 5 into 12 by 41 equal to 2. Now 11x plus 60 by 41 equal to 2. So 11x equal to 2 minus 60 by 41. (82 minus 60). 2 into 41, 82. 82 minus 60, get 22 by 41. This 11 is in division. So 22 by 41 means so x equal to 2 by 41. Now we want to find out the points are (2 by 41, 12 by 41). Now we want to find out points of intersection. Sorry, point of intersection is point of intersection is 2 by 41 and 12 by 41. Now the point of intersection 2 by 41 is intersecting with the x axis means sun intersection of line with x axis. So y equal to 0, x axis means y equal to 0. So substitute this in above equation means first equation, we get the point is two by substitute in the equation first y equal to 0 in equation number 1, that is 11x plus 5 into y 0 equal to 2. So x equal to 2 by 11. So the point is (2 by 11, 0). Like that, x axis y equal to 0, and then the same line intersect with the y axis. Y axis means x equal to 0. So substitute this means we get 11 into 0 plus 5 y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 by 5. So the point is 0, 2 by 5. That is the point x intersect with x axis and y axis. Next, point of intersection of line 2, that is line 1. Here line 2, first with x axis. With x axis means line 2 is what? 9y minus 13x equal to 2. Now x axis means y equal to 0. So put y equal to 0 na. 0 means x equal to, now to minus 2 by 13. So point is minus 2 by 13 comma 0. Now with y axis means x equal to 0. Now 9y minus 0 equal to 2. So y equal to 2 by 9. So what is the point? 0 comma 2 by 9. That is the answer. Eighth sum. Draw the graph of the following equation. First one x equal to minus 7 and second one y equal to 6. First equation table column lesson x equal to minus 7. So in all the points x value is minus 7 and take the y value as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to take this points. Next, plot these points. The points are minus 7 comma minus 3. So minus 7 comma minus 3. That is here. Minus 7 comma minus 3. Next one minus 7 comma minus 2. Minus 7 comma minus 2. Next minus 7 comma minus 1. Minus 7 minus 1. Minus 7 comma minus 1 and then minus 7 comma 0. Next minus 7 comma 1. Minus 7 comma 2. Next minus 7 comma 3. Now join this, means we get the straight line. Next subdivision y equal to 6. So take the x value as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here y equal to 6 in all the points. Now plot these points. Minus 3 comma 6. Minus 3 comma 6. Minus 3 comma 6 and then minus 2 comma 6. Then minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6. 0 comma 6. 1 comma 6. 2 comma 6. 3 comma 6. Now draw the line. That is the graph for this equations. That is the answer. Ninth sum. Draw the graph of y equal to minus 3x, y equal to x minus 4, y equal to 2x plus 5. They given three equations. For these equations, we have to find out the points and plot the graph. Listen. First one, y equal to minus 3x. We have to take any value of x here. So I take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now how will you find out y value? Means they given the equation. So y equal to minus 3x. So minus 3 into x. What is x here? Minus 2. So minus into minus plus 6 is the y value here, and then minus 3 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Now next one, minus 3 into x value is 0. So minus 3 into 0, anything into 0? 0. Minus 3 into, here x value is 1. Substitute that, minus into plus minus, 3 ones are 3. And then minus 3 into 2. Minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6. Now the points are, listen, minus 2 x value, and the coordinate is plus 6, and then minus 1 comma plus 3, minus 1 comma plus 3, next 0 comma 0, next 1 comma minus 3, and then 2 comma minus 6. These are the points for this equation. Now plot this equation in this graph. You have to draw the graph and scale units. It is must. So scale units, x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 1 unit only. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. That is scale units. Now plot the points, minus 2 comma plus 6, minus plus, which quadrant? X axis minus means that is second quadrant. So minus 2 comma plus 6, minus 2 here plus 6. So minus 2 comma 6. Next one, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 x axis and y axis 3, that is minus 1 comma 3. Next 0 comma 0, that is origin, you know that very well, 0 comma 0. Next 1 comma minus 3, plus 1 minus, plus minus, that is fourth quadrant, plus 1 minus 3. Next 2 comma minus 6, here it is 2 comma minus 6. Now we get the straight line. Write the equation here, that is y equal to minus 3x. Next equation, y equal to x minus 4. So here also we take the values, that is, here I take minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 5. Listen here, y equal to x minus 4. First one, what is x here? Minus 1. So, minus 1 minus 4. Minus same sign. So, we have to add this. We get minus 5. And then next one 0 minus 4. X value 0. So, x minus 4 means 0 minus 4. So, we get minus 4 here. Next 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 4. So, we have to subtract here. What is the difference? 3. Which one is greater one? 4. The sign is minus. So, minus 3 is the answer. Next one 3 minus 4 plus minus. So, different sign. So, we have to subtract this one. We get different 1. Which one is greater? 4. The sign is minus. And then 5 minus 4 plus minus different sign. So, what is the difference? 1. 5 is the bigger one. The sign is plus. So, plus 1 is the answer. Now, the points are minus 1, minus 5, 0 comma minus 4, and 1 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, 5 comma plus 1. Now, plot the graph. Lesson minus 1 comma minus 5. Both are in minus sign, that is third quadrant. So, minus 1 comma minus 5. Here it is. Minus 1 comma minus 5. And then 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. X is 0 means y axis. It lies on the y axis. So, 0 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 3. So, here it is 1 comma minus 3. Next 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. 5 comma 1. Both are plus sign. So, first quadrant it is. So, 5 comma 1. Now, join the points, means we get the straight line. What is the equation? Y equal to x minus 4. Next equation, y equal to 2x plus 5. So, take the values of x, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now, y equal to 2x plus 5. So, 2 into x, what is x here? Minus 2 plus 5. Plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4. So, minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5, different sign. So, we have to subtract the numbers, means we get 1. The highest number is 5. So, that sign is plus. So, plus 1. Next 2 into, here x value is minus 1 plus 5. So, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5, different sign. So, subtract means we get plus 3. Next 2 into 0 plus 5. So, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 5 plus 5 only. And then 2 into 1 plus 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7. Next 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9. So, the points are minus 2 comma 1 minus 1 comma 3 minus 0 comma 5 1 comma 7 2 comma 9. These are the points. So plot in the graph means minus 2 comma 1. So minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 x axis and y axis 1. So here minus 2 comma 1. Next minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3. Here minus 1 comma 3. Next one 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5. X axis 0 means it is lies on the y axis. So 0 comma 5. Next 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7 it is here, 1 comma 7. Next 2 comma 9, here it is 2 comma 9. Now join the line, join the points. You get the straight line. Which equation is this? Y equal to 2x plus 5. So that is the answer. 10th sum, find the value of. Listen, they given the equation and x value and y value also. In this tabular column, we have to find out the missing values. So listen, first one, y equal to x plus 3. First they given x value, so substitute that x equal to 0. So y equal to 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. So y value 3 for the first 3. Next one, y equal to x plus 3. Here y equal to 0 they given. So 0 equal to x plus 3 and x equal to plus 3, bring the side means minus 3. So minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 only. So we get x value minus 3. Next one, y equal to x plus 3. Here they given y value, y equal to minus 3. So x, y, sorry, instead of y we have to substitute the value minus 3 equal to x plus 3. So x equal to minus 3 plus 3, bring the side means minus 3. So minus 6 is the x value here. So here minus 6. Next one, we missed this one. So y equal to x plus 3 and they given x value equal to minus 2. So y equal to minus 2 plus 3, we get the value plus 1. So 1 is the value here. Second equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now listen, write this equation as 2x plus y minus minus 6, bring this side means plus 6, so equal to 6. First they given x equal to 0, then what is the value of y? So 2 into 0 plus y equal to 6. So y equal to, here 2 into 0 0, so y equal to 6 only. Next one, write the equation 2x plus y equal to 6. Next they given y value here, y equal to 0. So 2x plus y 0 equal to 6. Instead of y, substitute the value. So 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So 3 is the value of x. Next one, 2x plus y equal to 6. Here they given the value of x equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 minus 2, bring this side means plus 2. So y equal to 8. So y equal to 8. Next one, 2x plus y equal to 6. Here they given y value, y equal to minus 2. So 2x, instead of y we have to substitute the value minus 2 equal to 6. So 2x equal to, bring this side means plus minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. So x equal to 4. Value of x is 4. Next equation, y equal to 3x plus 1. Here the given x value only. So substitute the value of x and get y. X equal to minus 1 first. So y equal to 3 into, what is x? Minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 already there. So minus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2 is the y value here. Next one, y equal to 3x plus 1. X equal to, they given 0. So y equal to 3 into 0 plus 1. So y equal to 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 1. Next one, y equal to 3x plus 1. That is the equation. Next one, they given the value of x1 here. So y equal to 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So y value 4. Next, 3x plus 1. X equal to, they given 2. So y value 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. We get 7. 7 here. So they give one equation and the values of x and y, we have to find out the missing values here. And here exercise 3.9 is over. So children, practice well. I will see you again in next exercise. Thank you.